This is Sarah Vishnoi. So today I'm going to tell you how to color a painting. How to color the my room painting. Okay. So first let's go and paint. Here's paint. So I'm going to tell you how to open that picture that you have to color, or if you want to add something in that picture you can do just like this. First open file and come in. Open, open. Now your pictures will be open where you made all your pictures. So let me do it. So here is my room picture. Let me open it. Open. Now your painting will come over here. Now let's paint. So you always know that first I'm gonna do the bed. So I like blue so much, so I'll do blue. Dark blue first. Let me take dark blue and do it over here. Wait, I forgot to take this. Yep, and light blue on the pillows. It all looks good now. Now let me do brown. How about this brown? You can also do this brown, but I'm doing this brown. Go and done. I'm going to do mixed type of, light brown too. Yep, and how about yellow right here? Oops, done. Look, it looks like you know, this type of Almira. This is Almira and this is the bed. Oops, we forgot to color these. So these are all the brown. I like this brown the most, so I'm going to do. Oops. All done doing the legs of the bed. Now let's do the Almira now. My Almira books and tools and the bags. Now first let's do the bag. Yep. Bag. How about this? These bags are going to be about, yep, this cute amazing color. And this is going to be yellow. Yep. Now how about let's do the tools. Yep. Oops. Hmm? Oopsie. Let me do. Oh, it almost. Hmm. Never mind. I'll just do. I'll just leave it like this. It looks good. It doesn't look bad. Yep, all done. Oh, I forgot the dress, didn't I? How about they will be a match type of. They will be sisters. Yep, blue. Here and look, they look like sisters because pink over here and pink over here, dark blue over here, dark blue over here. Now, how about let's do the books. Never mind. Books are in every color. How about orange? Do any book, any color. Okay? I'm just touching a color and just doing. Oops, I already did orange. Pink and about. I forgot light blue, didn't I? This type of blue. That's one. Weird blue, isn't it? I can do light brown. This have to be light brown too. Yellow, yellow. Oops, light yellow, I mean. Oops. And green, I forgot green. Dark green. And the last one, I guess. All done. Ooh, time to color our tent house. It will be fun to color it because it is a design. You always know the color of gates. Brown, yellow. How about no? How about light pink, blue, light blue? Oops. Wait. Now let's color it light blue. Done. How about dark blue? And this type of blue. How about no purple? Yep, purple. Same. Yellow. How about pinky? Pinky, pinky. And the last one. No, no. How about this one? Yep. So, guys, I have all done everything. So, thank you for watching this video. So, bye guys. Nice to meet you. And please, please, please subscribe, like, and share and comment my video. And please, 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 please subscribe my video so you can see all the videos that I